Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all guys are doing well. So today I have created this look. This look is all about summery pinky glowy makeup tutorial. If you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So as you guys can see that I have done my base already, and we'll start it with the eye makeup, which is the center of attraction of today's video. So in today's video, all the colors, all the pigments I'm going to use, that will be from this Ivana Colors Bronze Contour and Highlight Palette. This is 03. So with this fluffy brush, I will take this color, this one, and apply it all over my crease. And gently blend it to the inner words, and make sure that you have enough patience to blend your eyeshadows, cause eye makeup is all about blending and blending. Then take this light pink color and put it down below, and put the color below your transition shade and blend it gently so there won't be any harsh. Then taking this medium pink color, I'm simply building the color step by step to get the desired pigmentation. And lastly, taking this deep pink color, and put that color, the deep pink color, on my outer V and gently blend that. With the help of a flat brush, I'm just packing that deep pink color on my outer V and the inner V as well to get my desired pigmentation. I have wetted my brush. This is a trick, guys. Whenever your eyeshadows doesn't give you that desired pigmentation, just wet your brush and use it. You will definitely get your desired pigmentation. Now taking this color and put it on the middle of the lid. I'm again packing that deep coppery color on the center of my lids to get that hollow effect, which is trending now. And lastly, with the help of a fluffy brush, I'm blending each and everything so that there won't be any harsh line and my eyeshadow looks so perfect. Next, I will use this Avon Glimmer Stick in Royal Blue shade for my lower waterline to add some pop of color. I am using this Royal Blue color to add some brightness onto my look, and I feel that pink and blue literally complements each other, and this color looks literally awesome on my eyes, guys. Look at this. Simply look at this. We'll smudge it bit little with some pink color. Applying this highlighter shade in the inner corners. And finishing off this eye makeup with my current favorite. I'm totally crushing over this. This is Maybelline Exaggerated Fiber Mascara, and I'm totally in love with this. Totally. So I will apply some pop of color on my cheeks, and we'll use this pink colors with the help of this sponge, and we'll apply it in a dabbing motion. Today I will take this color, this one. And to complete this look, I will use this two lip shade. This is by Savannah Colors and this is by Blue Heaven, and I will mix both of them to get a perfect pinkish nude shade or a color which will go with this look. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.